All right, everybody, we're going to give you 4 key features that sets Thermador apart from everyone else in the industry. Our first one, we're going to the wall oven. We're going to look at the rotisserie setting, and Thermador exclusive right here. You really just put rotisserie, put your temperature in, and look at it spin. It's really using all the broiler element to give you that perfect rotisserie. I mean, this is fun to the max, all right? Second key feature in the Thermador appliance catalog is the Freedom induction cooktop. It really gives you the freedom to move this pot or pan, create an induction burner anywhere on this surface, which is just a game changer. You hit that button again, you can scroll it up, and you'll get right to that other setting. But, you know, Thermador Freedom, the win. Next key feature, so excited about this one, the Star Burner from Thermador. Their iconic piece, their patented piece, covers 40% more surface area, and the burner cap on the ranges are raised up, easy to clean, and closer to the burner. Gets us that pro boil. It's their staple and their flagship. All right, next key feature is Thermador's impressive dishwasher. We're talking about the Zeolite in the back, that small triangle. I always say in between certain cycles, it'll open at the appropriate time and really release the moon rocks, as we used to call them, but it releases it out and gets 25 to 30% more of the moisture off your pots, pans, plates, and plastics. So really helps out in the drying cycle.